In this video, I should show you 5 basic tips that you should follow to save battery life on your iPhone. Firstly, make sure to turn off background app refresh. You can go into settings and look for background app refresh and turn it off. The second thing that I want you to do is to go into battery and look for apps that's consuming a lot of your battery life. Here in my case it's Classroom and Snapchat, so let me try to minimize its usage. In here I want you to go to battery health and turn on optimized battery charging to reduce batteries aging. Third step is to make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off when not in use. If you look down the control center, you can see the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off, but it isn't so in case of Wi-Fi in the settings, so do turn it off. Do the same for Bluetooth too. In this way, you shall ensure that they're completely turned off. Battery's maximum usage is mostly through the location services, which is mostly turned on, so do turn it off when not in use. Let me jump on to the fifth tip. It is to clear all your widgets timely.